All right, here we go again. Broken Bear Leather coming to you with a real quick short. I just want to give you a piece of solid advice that's going to help you in your future tasks. I got a request from somebody who wants to start making keychains, and they have a laser engraver and they want to do the engraving. They just need some blanks, so they want me to produce a whole bunch of blanks for them. They asked for some samples in some different colors: saddle tan, brown, and black. And I have a natural that, just as another option, I'm going to put three of them together and then leave one unhinged and let them assemble it from the ground up and see if they want to go with the flat option. Because with the laser engraver, you need to have a flat surface. And if you start folding these things up in the way that they're intended to do, then you got to stuff the middle with paper and raise the level up so that you got a level surface to laser on. And it might just be easier for them to put that on the grid and go at. But in any event, I finished the job, but if they ask me for more of these things, I don't have a template. So I'm going to make one for myself out of a piece of scrap just so that I have available to me. This is something that I've been burning on. I'm cutting these to a 5/8 width with the strap cutter. So I'm just going to torque one of these out. It doesn't cost me anything to burn some scrap. It's a 3-minute job, so off we go. Rounding over the ends. And then I'm going to use this original as a template so that I can mark where these holes go. I'm going to shorten this up just a little bit. This is about 10 inches worth of material. But you know, as much as I do, every time you make a copy of a copy of a copy, your material gets a little bigger, a little wider. So that's where I'm going at. So I got my holes punched out, and then I'm just gonna mark basically where my round over goes. Knock that out. Make some holes. So there we go. I just created a pattern for myself. I'm going to put that in the filing cabinet, label it as keychain blank, and then we'll have what we need next time if they ask for more. All right, guys, have a great day. Hope your business is going well. And don't forget, this is supposed to be fun, so enjoy yourself. All right, see y'all next time.